supposed to rain again a lot this week, so I'm trying to just be outside and enjoy the nice weather since we have it. Yeah. Last night, so it's Sunday morning, Saturday night, I'm trying to eat a meal with my family at the table once a week, which I know I say this, doesn't make sense to a lot of people, why that would be hard for me. So we did that. We actually got takeout. We're trying to do takeout and support a local business once a week. So I realized, like halfway through, I was actually really enjoying the conversation and connecting with my kids and my husband, and just noticing that just being a family at the table felt really good. This is why, one of the big reasons why I am fighting so hard for recovery and to stay like that, is because I just want to be with my family, like, and not have my eating disorder in the way. And so I actually did well, and I was eating, and I was thinking, wow, the fact I've been practicing this for at least few weeks in a row has really paid off. And then at the end, it hit me at once. Does that happen to anyone else where you're doing great, you're thinking, wow, this is a success, and then it just hits you, and then you go into like panic zone? I don't know, it's all downhill from there. So yeah, it was going well till it wasn't, and then I couldn't get out of that panic. But I still feel like it's a huge success because I did sit down with my family, I had a meal, I got through 95% of it before I hit panic, and I don't know, it just showed me, it gave me a lot of hope that I just need to practice this more, and that's which I know my team has told me, but I guess I kind of saw it for myself and kind of bought into it on my own. So yeah, that's kind of was my night. I'm recording right now because I wanted to share this, because I felt like it was a big success, and I feel like I'm out here trying to enjoy this, but I can't really run with when I'm filming, so, well, I could, but it'd be a little more difficult. So I'm trying to get myself to not give in to the fact that I want to just push myself really hard just for the fact that I had a successful dinner. Like, I have to make up for it. I have a certain time amount that I'm allowed. A lot of times I'm always trying to cheat the system. My eating disorder is always trying to cheat the system, and I try to fit in as much as I can within that certain time amount, within my movement, exercise restrictions, guidelines, I guess I can say. So I don't enjoy it. Like, it's not like I don't enjoy it, but I kind of use that time to get in as much as possible because it's a limited time. So I'm trying to just be out here for that limited time and do mostly walking, which I have. I brought my coffee with me. I can't run with my coffee because it would spill. And so I had that. I'm grateful that there's such nice walking paths in our neighborhood. And it makes me feel like I'm out, far away from my house, but I'm not. It's just practically my backyard. Get home, it's Sunday, so we're going to watch church together as a family. And I've been making just a huge pot of oatmeal, and everyone's been eating that together, so that's been like, I feel like it's been safe for me. But my youngest requested scones this morning. He wants vanilla bean scones, the little ones, just like he used to have when he was in preschool. And he remembers Daddy picking him up and getting those for him at Starbucks. I remember doing it too, but he just remembers my husband, so that's okay. I'm going to try to make those, so the baking will be a challenge. Oh, let's see if I can have one. No, I can't. Yeah, I want to experience that. And so we'll watch church together and have homemade scones. Little vanilla bean scones, just like Starbucks. Okay, I'll see you later.